Hi, my name is Wael Garine. I'm a prosthodontist and I practice in Jupiter, Florida. I love speaking about treatment planning, including digital technology in the treatment planning. We also enjoy speaking about aesthetics, dental aesthetics with implants and without implants. Speak about full arch restorations. Any way that starts from a denture, digital dentures, locators, bar over denture, hybrid, FP1, FP3. How do we start the treatment planning? How do we provisionalize the patient? What kind of a final restoration that we're gonna choose, material choices? And of course, we talk about complications and perils of dentistry that we deal with on an everyday basis. I love speaking about the full arch treatment planning. Again, anything from a denture all the way to a hybrid, FP1, FP3. The reason why I love that is because you can see the impact that you do on patients in terms of function and aesthetics, and you can change somebody's life by doing that. It's a passion. Teaching is a passion. When you connect with the audience and you start talking to them about, what your experiences and what you have learned and exchanging that information, it's very rewarding. And I also feel that everywhere I go when I speak to the audience and the attendees, I actually learn from them as well. So the main thing that I'm looking for when I'm doing a program is that I want them to leave my program and feel that they have something that they can take and implement on Monday. There's a lot of times you go to these programs and you sit for a full day and then you leave and you say, well, that's great, but I cannot do this in my practice. My goal, and I start my program by saying that my goal is having everybody go to their office on Monday and find at least 3 tips from what we did today that you can implement in your office immediately. Technology. I think technology, the way that it's changing so quickly, all the tools that we have, especially with AI now, we're currently implementing many tools in our practice that has to do with AI that deal everything from our administration, from the office front, all the way to the assistants, to the hygienists, to clinically our world in dentistry, to our lab products and how we design prosthetics. So incorporating AI and technology is going to change the way that we're doing dentistry in a positive way. I'm Wael Garine, and if you'd like me to speak to your study club, please contact Dentalist eSolutions. I'll be happy to come and spend some time with you and your referrals.